Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce you to the Besser Block. Now known for factories and retaining walls, they're practical, but some would say they're not pretty. Well, I'm here to prove you wrong. This is going to take me about 60 seconds to set up, and it's going to look fantastic. Put a few of these around the place and you can really transform an open space and create a tiny little courtyard that's cute and intimate. All I'm going to do is lay them dry, fill in with potting mix and plant them out. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little planters. It's a cute little corner. You can go as big or as little as you like. Told you to take 60 seconds. How cute is it? The humble Besser Block. Who would have thought? Now succulents are perfect in here. You've got to think that the soil is only the size of the inside of the Besser Block, so they're quite restricted. So you don't want plants that love water, you want plants that love it hot and dry. And succulents in this spot are perfect. Anyone got a broom?